major coach start on our my friend's prairie. 300. Then his quad runner. Oh yeah, I got that. Almost there. Come on. Here, come here and video it.
Let me go get a pair of pliers.
Hey, Marcus! Get this! The battery charger, clamp it. I gotta pee. Come on, baby, start. Okay, I got it. Smoking.
Where?
You can see it smoke from where it's loose on the front, the header.
Where?
Well, when you were revving it, you could see it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I suppose.
No, it don't. Mine started up kicking it twice this morning.
I used to think about road.
Mine was. You're gonna black smoke the wall. Them AMS tires. I need them back. We were pressure washing it and the Kawasaki came off.
Not good.
Alright, let's go start your other one.